Hey beauties, it's Riri. Welcome back, or welcome if you are new. I hope you are doing well and having an amazing day. Of course, birthday shout out if it is your birthday. Happy birthday. I'm gonna dive right in. We have a lot to get through today. I just received the Gourmande Girls brand new collection. We have Thunderstruck and we have Pandemonium, both incredibly beautiful, as well as the Ladybug Glow Flora Mist eyeshadow palette. I will be full on demoing the Pandemonium because it's my favorite for you guys, doing a complete look, and then at the very end, as per usual, you will see just eye looks with these as well as swatches. So of course we'll do swatches of this one, we'll create a look, and at the very end you will see both of these palettes as well. Comment at the end of the video which palette is your favorite. Of course I will quickly show them to you so you don't have to wait to the end of the video to see all of them. This one is giving very much me vibes. I absolutely love it. Very beautiful, warm, couple of neutrals in here. So a couple of beautiful kind of more rosy, plummy tones over here. Of the shimmer to matte ratio, I think it's beautiful, and I've already used this palette on my own. Next up is Thunderstruck. Love the packaging, of course. They do fold all the way back. This one, even though I am not a cool tone babe, you will see the look at the end of the video, and it is absolutely gorgeous, as is this palette. Beautiful, cool tones. There are some incredibly beautiful and special shades in here. I think that she nailed it, and I love the juxtaposition between the both of them. Then we have the Flora Mist from Ladybug Glow. As you can see, there's a little bit of neutrals in here, and it's leaning a little bit more kind of purpley, and a couple yellows in here, some beautiful shimmers as well. I do have an affiliated code with both brands. It is RIRI10 to save you 10%. I do earn a small commission, so if you do use my code, thank you in advance. I'm gonna shut my mouth and we're gonna dive into some swatches. I do want to note that this shade right here, Lumen, as you can see, it's got a little bit of texture to it, some like a level of flake. My trick with those types of shades is I pick up a little bit. You guys know I always apply with my fingers. I pick up a little bit and I gently massage between both fingers, two fingers, and it smooths it out, and then I apply to the lids. There are also some spectacularly beautiful shades in here, you guys. Like I said, I already wore this on my own the other day, and oh my gosh, I am literally going to create the exact same look that I did that day because I loved it that much. this is my finished look using the brand new Gourmande Girls Pandemonium eyeshadow palette. You will of course see this also in flash as well as up close, and you will of course see the other two palettes in action. Again, I'd like to know which palette is your favorite. What color story is your favorite? I'm just a like warm, grunge, all the things type of person. And when you see this up close, I think you'll really understand how incredibly beautiful this is, how multi-dimensional this is. I absolutely love this palette. I already did my palette ranking for Gourmande Girls. I know you guys have been asking for that. So I did not have this yet. This would be tied for my first place. So I'll go ahead and tell y'all that is definitely taken over first place, tied with my favorite palette from her of all time. I absolutely love this look. It performed as it normally does. I kind of speak to this a lot when I'm speaking in terms of Gourmande Girls, NOMAD Cosmetics. I think they have very consistent and very beginner-friendly formulas, mattes and shimmers. Like I said, this one has a little bit of kind of texture flakiness that never bothers me. I always apply with my fingers. So like I said, I just rub it between two fingers and then place it on the lids. Zero issues, zero problems. You know, I didn't have any creasing or anything the other day when I wore this exact same look. I love that there's some depth here. I have some lighter blending out shades. That's important to me. I love having something light and bright for the inner corner, for the brow bone. I love this. I absolutely love this eyeshadow palette. That is it for today. Thank you, beauties, so much for joining. Thank you, of course, to Gourmande Girls and Ladybug Glow for gifting. I do have that affiliated code if you guys did want to shop. It's RIRI10 to save you 10%. I do earn a small commission. Thank you in advance if you use it. I hope you guys are well. I hope you guys have the most amazing day. Please don't forget to give the video a thumbs up and subscribe if you did enjoy this video. You can share this video out. You can hype the video, and there's a join button down below you can click to become a channel member for some exclusive perks. I love you all. Stay happy, healthy, and safe. And of course, be your own best beautiful. Bye, beauties.